Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your Android phone. So here, as you can see, we've got our phone and our headphones. First thing we need to do is opening the settings. Here, Bluetooth, and now here we've got available devices and this circle or this arrow, and here we've got not continuous scanning. So here in a moment we should see refresh button. So at first you need to enter the pairing mode, then you need to tap refresh. However, if you see that you've got continuous scanning, don't do anything. So find this button right here on your headphones. This is multifunctional button, this circle. Hold this button when your headphones are turned off for I think 10 seconds. Now I've got them turned on, and now we've got pairing. How to distinguish that we are pairing? Just let light and you should hear an alert that you've got pairing. Hit refresh, and now in the available devices list we should see DOOGEE BoneAir Swim. Tap them and hit pair. That's how it works. Bye.